Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today, we are going to learn about protein structure and its importance in biological products. Before we begin, don't forget to like and subscribe. Proteins are composed of different amino acids that are bonded together by amide bonds. Amino acids contain both carboxyl and amine groups. The carboxyl group from one amino acid and the amine group from another join together to form an amide bond, which we call a peptide bond. All peptides have an N-terminal, a free amine group, and a C-terminal, a free carboxyl group. One special amino acid is cysteine, which contains a free thiol group. Two cysteine residues can form a covalent bond with each other, creating a disulfide bond. So let's review protein structure levels. First one is primary structure. The primary structure of a protein is its linear sequence of amino acids linked by peptide bonds. The next one is secondary structure. Once the primary structure is formed, the protein undergoes folding, a process in which the linear sequence adopts a more ordered three-dimensional shape. The two most common secondary structures are alpha helixes and beta sheets. So, what determines whether a region of a protein forms an alpha helix or a beta sheet? It depends on the types of amino acids positioned next to each other. Small, unbranched, or charged amino acids are more likely to form alpha helices. And bulky, branched, or aromatic amino acids are more likely to form beta sheets. And the next one is tertiary structure. Now, these secondary structures interact with each other to form the final three-dimensional shape of the protein. This is called the tertiary structure. The interactions responsible for this structure include ionic bonds, hydrophobic interactions, and hydrogen bonds, which all are non-covalent, and disulfide bonds, which is a covalent bond. And finally, we have quaternary structure. Some proteins consist of multiple subunits that assemble together. This is called the quaternary structure. Each subunit has its own primary, secondary, and tertiary structures. These subunits are held together by non-covalent bonds. A well-known example is hemoglobin, which consists of 4 subunits. Each subunit binds to iron and oxygen, allowing red blood cells to transport oxygen throughout the body. And now we want to know about diseases related to protein structure defects and take a look at some diseases caused by defects in protein structure. First one is sickle cell anemia, a condition where hemoglobin loses its normal 3D structure due to a mutation that replaces glutamic acid with valine. As a result, red blood cells become rigid, sticky, and C-shaped, like a sickle. These misshapen cells get stuck in small blood vessels, blocking blood flow. Next one is thalassemia. Hemoglobin consists of 4 subunits, known as alpha and beta globin chains. Thalassemia occurs when the body reduces or stops producing either the alpha or beta globin chains, leading to anemia and fatigue. And other diseases caused by protein misfolding include cystic fibrosis, Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, and Huntington's disease. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a nice day.